Hey guys, so as you can see, one section is already done. If you want to see how I do the rest, please keep on watching. So guys, you know the deal. I've obviously started on freshly washed hair. I've also moisturized the hair as well. So now I'm basically just detangling the hair just so it's easier for the blow dry to pass through the hair without it getting stuck. We don't want that. The blow dryer I'm using on my daughter's hair is called the Revlon Perfectionist 2-in-1 hair dryer. I love this hair dryer so much guys because it dries her hair in a short amount of time. The blow dryer basically has like 3 speed settings, but I'm using the second setting, which is the medium, because we don't want no heat damage. Just look at the results guys, like I let it speak for itself basically. I'm not about to bore you guys with a 20-minute long video on me blow drying hair, so I basically just fast forwarded that last part then. So I finished the first section and I'm now going to move on to the other section. I'm going to do it quite quickly because I think you guys must get the gist by now, and then once I'm done I'm going to come back and just show you the end result. So thank you for watching. Get your thumb out in your mouth. Say thank you for watching.